Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes and myself Padma. Today we will be seeing how to prepare Dali Vada. This is a Konkani sweet dish. Now this dish is prepared from red lobia beans. Then Dali Vada is usually prepared in Konkani homes when Dantumbar is prepared. Now Dali Vada is a long forgotten dish among the Konkani community. Of the name Dali Vada, Dali represents the dal of red lobia. Red lobia is one pyre in Malayalam or Sukki Chavli in Konkani. And the vada that represents is the Dantumbar. This is delicious kheer paisam which is also healthy and nutritious. The other ingredients that are used in the preparation of Dali Vada are coconut and jaggery. For preparing Dantumbar, you can click on the link in the description box. Coming to ingredients. You need 3/4 cup of red lobia, 1/4 cup raw rice, 1 small bowl full Dantumbar. Regarding how to prepare Dantumbar, I have already put a video on that. You can get the link in my description box. 1 medium size coconut, 5 to 6 blocks of jaggery, coconut pieces for garnishing, 5 to 6 numbers cardamom or elaichi you have to powder and use, then 8 to 10 number of cashew nuts. Then coconut, you can extract the first, second and third milk from the grated coconut and keep aside. You can even roast the cashew nuts and coconut pieces in ghee and keep aside. So first you have to dry roast the raw rice in the kadai and keep aside. Then apply oil to the red lobia and dry roast them in a kadai or pan. See that you do not over roast them. You need not brown them as well. Transfer the roasted lobia to a mixer grinder and give just one turn of your mixie knob. That will do. This will separate the dal from the red lobia. Separate the skin of the red lobia from its dal by winnowing. Repeat the process until you get dal alone and no red lobia beans remain as such. There should not be any skin left as well. Coarsely powder the roasted rice in a mixer and keep aside. Then add the third coconut milk to the dal and pressure cook the dal. Transfer the cooked dal to a container and add second coconut milk to it. Keep this for boiling. After some time, add the coarsely powdered rice and mix. Once the dal starts boiling, add jaggery to it. You can also add cashew nut pieces at this stage if you do not want to roast them in ghee. Add dantumbar also and boil. Add thick coconut milk. After adding the thick coconut milk, you need not have to boil it. Just heat it and remove from the flame. Add cardamom powder. Add coconut pieces and mix well. Maintain a medium consistency for the kheer or the paisam. Your dali vada is ready to be served. Serve after 10 to 15 minutes. The dali vada actually tastes good the next day. Now if the consistency of the kheer or the paisam becomes too thin, then add little more coarsely powdered rice powder, or if you don't have that, you can even add the rava will do. Then if it becomes too thick, add little plain milk and check for sugar or sweetness. If you feel that the amount of jaggery added is more, you can bring down the sweetness by adding plain milk to the payasam. Before adding jaggery, see for impurities. If there are any impurities, grate the jaggery and add little water and boil to it. Boiled, pass it through a sieve to remove the impurities. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.